Hello and welcome to today's tip. Now I'm going to be making a shadow using my embossing powders, and I've just started off with my card. I've just made a simple card that's just got the happy birthday down the side there, and it just opens up in a slightly different position. And one of the great ways to create shadow cards, with using shadows, is to use really sort of delicate plants or floral stamps, because they automatically have lots of them usually in a field, and so you often get those beautiful shadows. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off with this one here, which is like I don't know what type of wildflower this would be, but it's definitely a wildflower. And what I'm going to do is just have these sort of going along the background, and this is going to be the shadow. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some very black embossing powder over the top. Okay, so there's the first layer that's going to be in black. I'm then going to go over the top using the same stamp, and I'm going to use a pink. Unfortunately, I don't have this one in white, but if I did, I would use white embossing powder. But I've got this lovely bright pink that I'm going to use today. And there we have this really lovely sort of flourish of flowers. Now, in my opinion, I think that needs a little bit of grounding. So I'm just going to go in with a black pen and sort of just sort of finish it off. Now, I might, if I wanted to, add some other stamps on there or other embellishments, but I really like it the way it is. I am going to add just a few dots just to sort of bring it all in a bit. Be nice if they were splatters, but I haven't got my paints out, but splatters would be even better. And it covers up where all my embossing powders has sticked as well. So there we have it, a really lovely wildflower embossing card. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.